What's up guys, in this video we're going to be taking this $200 mini bike I bought last week and putting this old school 5 horsepower flathead Briggs on it that I built up in the last couple of weeks. I put a Makuni style carburetor on it, made my own header and intake, removed the governor, ported and polished the intake and exhaust ports, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to be slapping her on this thing and making it fast. So I got the engine all mocked up where I want it on the bike. I got bolts as spacers under the engine to get the exhaust up more. I still need to space it some more, a little bit more at least. I got the chain on right now. Got it kind of straight. I don't know. Oh, I'll go back here. I got it straight. I don't know how good you can see that, but I'm gonna use some spray paint to spray in the holes of the engine so I can know where to drill the holes. Recap on what we got done is we got the engine, the holes drilled and bolted down. Didn't end up using spacers on the bottom. We just bent the exhaust up a little bit. You can kind of see that. Got the throttle cable on the carburetor. Just screw the new one on. You can hear it returning. Took the wrench off the foot peg. Need to get a chain tensioner because this chain's too loose and it didn't have one, so we need to get it. I'm probably just gonna make one with a skateboard wheel or something like that. Still need to get a bolt for that. I'm probably just gonna order one. Gas tank. We have this gas tank that came off of it, but I don't know where to put it. We can't put it back where it was because the exhaust is there now. Right here would be a little too close to it. Up here would be fine, but I don't think that looks very good. I'm probably just gonna get one that's a little spun aluminum tank to put right here. That or just build one. We're working on the gas tank right now. I got this gas tank off a old push mower. I'm thinking about just putting it right here. It might be a little bit in the way, but it's all I have. Unless I want to use that old one, which it can't go here because the exhaust is there. So I'm gonna use that one. I'm thinking about using these hose clamps and putting them around them, and then using another hose clamp to hose clamp it to the frame. It should be pretty tight if I can get it tight enough. So we're working on that right now. Still need to find a bolt for that clutch. Probably get that done today, and then should be able to fire it up and ride it, if I can think right. That engine, it does need a recoil spring, so it's just sitting there right now. So if you pull it back, it doesn't rewind. So need to order that, but we can probably run it without one if we can just rewind it once we start it. So we'll get all that done and we'll catch back up to you. I got the gas tank on it with hose clamps. You can see under there. I still need to cut the ends off of it on both of them. So that's good and strong. It shouldn't move around. And when I sit on it, it doesn't hit my knees. I rerouted all the throttle and brake cables so the exhaust doesn't get in the way. Still need to find a bolt. Once we find a bolt, we can crank it up and take it on a little test trip. I got everything complete on it. I bolted the gas tank on like I showed you. I got the fuel line ran with a, zip tied up with a fuel filter on the end. Throttle cables hooked up, engines bolted down. I zip tied all the wires back. Clutch is on, chains on, exhaust is bent up. I think it's ready to start it. First start up on the bike, I'm gonna put it up against the wall, or I guess the truck tire, so it doesn't go off. Throttle seems to return. Got my zip tie kill switch to pull the spark plug, pull the wire off of it, and we're gonna start this thing. Keep it running. I don't know why it's not running. That's full throttle right now. I drilled the jet out on this carburetor, so I put the old carburetor, which was the same, I put that jet that was stock back in it, and that should make it run better because it was completely flooded whenever we were trying to run it. So okay, let's start it. Choke or no choke? Oh yeah, that's a lot faster. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to hear me or see me. I'm gonna put this up against the wall so it doesn't try to run off on me. Throttle's returning. No choke. Let's see if it'll start. Chain popped. Crap. Oh, great. That's it for this video, guys. If you liked, please like the video and subscribe if you haven't done that already. Next thing you're going to see on this thing is probably we're going to be painting it either a different color or just I want to try to maybe use some of that bed liner stuff to give it a little more rugged finish. We're gonna be putting new tires on it because these are bald. We are gonna be tuning that carburetor a little bit more because it doesn't idle very well. Probably be getting a new throttle cable and grips, and that's pretty much it probably. So if you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.